Hello, today's question is, why is life insurance important in estate planning? So today you will learn the purpose of life insurance, what type you should buy, and who should have it. Hi, I'm attorney Robert Pecori. I've been practicing estate planning and elder law now for 30 years. Wow, a long time. So life insurance has many purposes, but here are a few of the most common uses. Number one, it's used to replace income, and this is especially important for one-earner families. This will insure against the loss of the income from that earner should something happen. It's usually purchased as a multiple of the income you're trying to replace. Number two, pay taxes and protect assets from being sold. In inheritance tax states like PA, or if you're one of the few families subject to federal estate taxation, life insurance can be very helpful. You can buy a policy to pay the tax so you don't have to, or your heirs don't have to sell off assets to pay the tax later when you're gone. Often the largest asset of an estate is a home or an IRA. Life insurance is a good way to preserve those type of assets for the family. So again, so they don't have to sell them to pay the tax. Number three is tax-free wealth transfer and financial planning. Life insurance is tax-free, so it's a nice advantage. So it's a good way to get heirs money without having to worry about estate taxation. Example, it's common in second marriages. There's tax advantages to leaving an IRA to a spouse, as a spouse pays no tax on the IRA. The IRA to a kid, however, is heavily taxed. They pay inheritance tax and income tax. So it's common to get life insurance to leave to the kids instead and let the IRA pass tax advantaged to the spouse. So there are a couple of different types you're probably familiar. There's whole life. Whole life is more expensive, but it does accrue value. It's often single premium, or it can also be monthly or quarterly premiums. There's term insurance. This is less expensive because it only covers a specific term, like 20 or 30 years. This is often used to replace income during peak earning years for families with younger kids. So depending on what you're trying to do will determine what type is best for you. Who should have life insurance? It's not necessarily for everyone. If you're single, for example, in your 60s with no kids, you probably don't need it. If you're 35, married, and you're the sole earner, and you have kids, you should definitely consider it. You have lots to protect and you have lots to lose. If you're in your 50s with lots of assets, you want to maximize money to heirs, it can be a great way to have the taxes paid and protect the assets from needing to be sold. In sum, life insurance is one part of a comprehensive estate and financial plan, and I'd encourage you to talk to a trusted agent for more information. For more detailed information about estate planning, please check out my website at pecorielderlaw.com or check out some of my other videos about estate planning. Thanks for tuning in today. Please leave your comments and questions below, and don't forget to please subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.